Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to check manufacturer date on HP ProBook 635. Click FN and Escape to open the HP system information. Here you have the serial number. The fourth digit, so 1, 2, 3, 4, it's 2 in my case. It identifies the year of production, so 2 it is the 2022, the last year of production. It can be 2022 or 2012, but I know that this laptop is pretty new, so it is the 2022. Also, I checked the warranty and warranty is in 2022. The next two digits are the week of the year, so the 9th week is around the very start of March. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.